Hello, hello, hello. Welcome everyone to this broadcast. My name is Anita Bryant. I'm the owner of this channel, Anita's Gossip Vlog. From time to time, I take the time out to give social media training about different social media accounts like Twitter, YouTube, um, Facebook, and Instagram. So if you have a few minutes, just take a few minutes and sit down and view this video over. You might see something in here that may be able to help you uh, uh, during your day to day to help you bring in more traffic and leads to your business, which is the ultimate goal. Because with an online business, it's just like a brick and mortar business in some respect. If you don't have any leads, if you don't have customers coming in, then you're not going to make any money. And if you stay tuned to this channel, stay tuned to my training, I also teach you how to turn that free traffic and those leads into paying customers. But right now, if you have a few moments, subscribe to this video. Subscribe to this channel. Excuse me. Like this video and share this video with a family or friend, because any additional income that a person can make is truly a blessing. And also I would like to add, anytime that you add a skill to what you already know, is just like adding money in the bank, because skills turned into profits. Okay. All right. Right now I'm going to show you um how to post to your Instagram account, the best time of day to post to your Instagram account, how to find out the best time of day to post to your Instagram account. And whenever I started doing this, I really started to gaining more followers on my Instagram, and I really started to getting more engagement on my Instagram accounts. Okay, you see the bar that's up at the top, you'll see the time sign, the bar, and you'll see the little person with the plus sign. What you'll do, you'll click that bar sign. It'll go to insights. You'll have three categories listed here under your insights. You'll have activity, content, and audience. This shows you all the activity that you have on your account. If there's something you don't understand, you can always click the bottom where it says, what does these mean? What do these mean? Excuse me. Okay. You can track your content from here. You know how many likes you're getting, how many post engagements you're getting. If you or how many views you're getting. If you feel as though you're not getting enough, then this here will let you know, or kind of help you measure out, where you should be going and what you should be doing to bring in more um, engaging posts. If you have posts that are not getting enough engagement or not getting any engagement at all, I would suggest that you delete them. Delete the posts that are not getting any engagement. I mean, it's not like it's helping you. It's really harming you. So delete that. That's a little extra info added into this video. Okay, let's go to audience. Audience is where you want to go. Okay, from here you can learn about who is your target market. See, I have 61% men that follow me, and I have 39% women. So my content should be more geared towards men. Now, if I want to bring in more women into my followers list, I'm going to have to use content that would target more ideas and topics and things that women like, instead of being just straightforward business. Because a lot of times, a lot of us entrepreneurs will post just business ads, business. You got to switch it up a little bit. You got to post some things about yourself. You got to post some, you don't have to be too revealing, but you post some things about yourself, maybe about what you're doing that day. You post a pic about what you're eating, something to bring engagement to you. You can post about for women, makeup, dieting, fashion. Men love sports. Um, Different things of that nature. Men love men's fashions and things of that nature. But most of the time, it's sports and topics about money would bring men into my page. Um, my target audience, I would think that my target audience would be in my age range, but it's not always what I think. Um, and when we're marketing, we can't go always by what we think. That's why we need these insights. We need these marketing measurements to help us understand where we're going with our marketing. Okay, my target audience is a younger audience from 25 to 34 and then 35 to 44, but mostly my audience is from 25 to 34 years old. So that's mainly who I'm gonna keep, you know, pushing my posts out to. And my target locations, most of my people are from Atlanta. So most of the people from Atlanta and mostly New York, those people follow my pages. Now, when I was telling you what the main idea of this video is about finding out the best time to post to your page. The best time for me to post to my page when I get engagement is between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. My page is active. People are actively engaging on my page from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Saturday. Now I can go, okay, now on Sunday it's 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And it seems to be the same times daily. 12 a.m. it usually picks back up. If you can look over here at 12 a.m. Yeah, my page stays pretty active, guys. Especially since I've been paying more attention to it. And the reason why my page is so active is because I'm consistently posting to my page. I might not post daily, but when I post like 3 posts, maybe 3 to 4 posts that day. It might be one motivational post, one music post, and one funny post. You know what I'm saying? I kind of try and switch it up. Or some days I might make a post of me, an image of me, or one of my kids, or something like that. These are just examples. And a lot of people are not going to tell you this. Not a lot of people are not going to break it down to you the way that I'm breaking it down. And the people that I'm talking to is going to be people that are going to understand me. I mean, everybody's not gonna like you when you first start marketing. Everybody's not gonna like everyone's training. But I try and keep it simple. You know how they say keep it simple, stupid? Keep it simple because there's no sense in trying to make it so high tech to where people can't understand how to make money because we're living in a time in a society now that where people need an extra hustle. And just simply coming online and throwing up a couple of ads is not gonna do it. You're gonna have to know what you're doing in the background, and it's the things that experienced marketers do in the background that help them make money. It's not because of so much of how you look. It's not so much of your cute little quotes and your motivations. It's things that you do in the background that help you reach a broader audience. They help you reach more of your target audience. And you're not going to learn this unless you take the time to learn. Okay, I'm not going to make this video too long, but you can see here that I click what does these mean. If you want to go into your Instagram account and do that, and it says gender, age, location, followers, and the hours, average times your followers are on Instagram on a typical day. Followers days, the days of the week when your followers are most active. See, Instagram makes it so easy for you to market. I mean, and this is just so easy. You can find out any time of the day or week, hours. Look at that. Wednesday and Thursday are the most active times of my followers. Wednesday, Thursday, and some of the other days are so-so. Tuesday, so-so. Set on Sunday, so-so. But I'm the type of person, I don't like to work on Monday. I do this full time. So, I come on, make a couple posts. But my main thing is to be consistent 7 days a week. So if I want to go hard, I know to go hard on Wednesday and Thursday. But if I want to bring in more engagement, I also know that I don't slack off on these days that this thing is telling me that I have less engagement. That means that I need to come up with a technique to reach a different audience or to bring in more people on those particular days. I need to step my game up. You know what I'm saying? I can either fall back or either I can step my game up. But I'm the type of person I step my game up. Because the sky is not a limit to me. The sky is not a limit. They say the sky is the limit. The sky is not the limit. I'm shooting for the moon and the stars. So the sky is not the limit. I'm trying to go into the extreme atmosphere with my social media marketing business. So everyone, please take time out to look at your insights. They're very helpful and very useful. They help you stay on track with your marketing. A lot of people wonder why they're not getting leads and why their traffic is not okay. Well, you can't see if you're walking in the dark. These um, insight reports, they help you to see in the dark. It's your flashlight in the dark tunnel. So you really need this stuff. You really need to pay attention to your reports and pay attention to your charts. And those of you who don't have an Instagram account, get it, because Instagram has far more engagement than Facebook. Facebook is not the only place for you to market. YouTube is not the only place for you to market. Which my two favorite places to market is YouTube and um, Instagram. I just love it. I do. I really do. I do some Facebook training later, but right now I just want to concentrate on Instagram. Just a couple of little things that you guys can use to tweak your Instagram accounts and make them better. I'll do a couple of more Instagram on trainings, but I'm just gonna break them down like one at a time. I don't want to overload people in case there are new people that are watching this video. You experts, this video is not for you experts. You go ahead on and you train your teams. Thank you for dropping by. But don't be critical of my video, because this is for new people who just need somebody to just give them some down to earth information. Okay? And who just gonna keep it real with them. All right. So one more thing I wanted to say. Well, basically, if there's anything else that you feel like you would like to ask me that I didn't mention in this video, feel free to connect with me on any one of my social media accounts. I always answer like right away. Um, I'm always happy to meet new people, and I love training people. If you want to use this video to help train your teams, feel free to share it. Feel free to share it with someone. And if you don't have Instagram as part of your marketing system, add it, honey. Add it. You're missing a whole lot of leads, and you're missing a whole lot of money and growth to your business. Okay. Again, subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm going to be having some great content coming on here. I'm a diversified person, so I just have different type of stuff on here. And if you just love diversity and you just love, just being different, and down to earth and just having some fun sometimes, stop on by and check me out. Okay, God bless you all. Talk to you very, very soon.